Definitely haven't been down here before. I don't remember pine forest on this side of the road. What the hell? Well, hey guys, Oz ADV rider, just out on a quick ride. I'm actually killing two birds with one stone, testing out the new grips, which I'll show you if I get a chance. Yeah, ProTaper clamp on grips. There'll be a video on that. Sick of heated grips dying on me. Holy crap, look at that. There's always new tracks to find out here. Yeah, my heated grips stopped working. I've decided to go back to normal grips. I'm sure I'll regret that with winter coming on. We'll just go to the right. Far out. What have I got myself into? I'm bloody 2 minutes off the road. Yeah, this side's really easy. You just slide it on, clamp it on. This one, it replaces the whole tube, and I had to get the throttle cables off, which is a real pain in the ass on this kind of bike. Anyway, let's get this over and done with first. Very good. We'll go this way. Thinking a lot lately about selling this bike. Now I don't want to be one of those bloody over dramatic YouTubers who puts up a clickbaity thumbnail saying they're getting rid of their bike. Whole video they're going about these problems and then they say, oh, but I'm not getting rid of it. I still love it, whatever. Anyway, for me, I think like the bike's great. It still surprises me what this thing's capable of. There's no way I would have been doing this kind of track back when it was standard. But I have lost interest in the bike a bit. Now when I started modifying it, I had this ultimate goal of riding Billy Goat Bluff track, which I did about a year ago with the bike fully loaded. So it's still a good adventure bike, it's capable of long trips, and it's more than capable off-road. For what it is brilliant. Ever since I did that trip to the high country, I've kind of lost interest in the bike a bit. It's like, sometimes you know when you reach a goal, you don't know what to do after it. I've still got lots of projects I'd like to do on the bike, but I haven't done. About the only thing I've done since that trip is replace the headlight, and that was because I smashed it on that trip. Yeah, it's still a brilliant bike. It is still reliable. I know in the last video I said I don't quite trust it the same. You got to remember this bike's 17 years old and it's done 150,000 kilometers. I have been talking about a second bike too. What I'm actually after is a classic Triumph. I want to turn it into a desert sled. But my plan was to have this bike for more for the longer trips and the desert sled for probably local trips around here. Yep, we're good. Go up this centre. Oh, far out. Yeah, this bike has no right to be doing stuff like that, but it does it with ease. Just before I started modifying it, I was thinking of replacing it then. Second-hand bike prices went through the roof. I couldn't get out and ride anyway, so I decided to start modifying it. As soon as I took some weight off that front end, it just felt so much better off-road. And then I realised I needed more ground clearance, so I raised it. And then so I could carry more speed through rocky stuff like that, I put the 21-inch wheel on, and that just transformed the bike. And from there I put the WR450 front end on, which improved the handling. Yeah, since then I've kind of lost interest. I still would like to do the spoked rear wheel. I've got a few other projects, but I just haven't got around to it. See, I'm not sure what to do with the old girl. Possibly time to move on. I'd like to say I'd get something nice and standard and leave it alone, and I'd fiddle around with the classic Triumph, but I have a bit of a hard time leaving bikes alone. Look at that big chunk of quartz, that's been there for yonks. Oh, look at this shit. Yeah, I don't know what I'd buy if I did get rid of it. Like I said, I want the classic Triumph, but I don't think that'd be for everyday kind of use. Probably wouldn't be doing tracks as gnarly as this on it. It'd be more just for a bit of fun. But there's nothing, no new bikes that really interest me. Like a DR or a DRZ would probably be good. Something I could still do a bit of tinkering with. I'm thinking, am I on the right track? I might have turned too early. Far out, I think I have. Yeah, I think I come down here, I don't know, who knows. I'll work it out in a minute. No, that's it. That's where I want to go, up there. Yeah, that's first. Ooh. Now, have I got the right spot? Yep, this is my track here. Bit steep on this one. And I've got a bloody branch across it. I've got a little track over there too. I might just get over this side. Yeah, like I said, these grips don't feel as soft as I remember pillow top grips. And for this bike, I don't think they were any easier to fit. Still got the tree across the track, we've got to go around that. Yeah, this is always scary. See if I can stay, oh no. Let's see if I can stay on my feet, I can't. So I've still got a fallen tree where the track goes around to the right. It's a fallen tree there, so I'm going to have to go straight ahead to get a... Oh, is it? I think so. Anyway, let's go. Righto. Oh, up on my feet. Go. Oh, I should have went on the ridge, would have been better. Yeah, tree is blocking the track still. Still very much undecided whether I get rid of the bike. Just sharing my thoughts at the moment. There's certainly been a fantastic bike and I have more than got my money's worth out of it. They fixed up this little hill. This was a nasty little rock hill. Yeah, look at that. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you next time.